Hurricane Helene victims are still recovering after the storm ripped through the Appalachia area nearly 5 months ago. But some people needing federal relief say FEMA has been no help. FEMA is supposed to provide temporary housing and funding for repairs while insurance foots most of the bill. It is not the message residents heard initially. When politicians visited Helene-struck areas, residents were promised they would get whatever they needed. As more time passes, the reality of long-term recovery has gotten complicated.
I thought we were going to be lucky and get help from them because I followed it right away. We had an inspector out here within the first 2 or 3 weeks. Government and FEMA-wise, there's been no help.
So it is certainly not the case that FEMA is going to come in and put everything back to the perfect state that it was in before. They will be the first to tell you that your homeowner's insurance and your flood insurance should be your primary resources for recovering.
Complaints about FEMA's application process are common. Many people saw their claims rejected over small details like lost receipts. People against eliminating FEMA say it would slow the recovery process for future disasters.